Respected dignitaries, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all on today's CBSE virtual inspection of our school. Narayana E-Techno School, MG Road branch was established in the year 2018 and is located in the heart of the city. Since the day of its inception, we have been delivering quality education and have been taking care of the holistic development of more than 2,000 students as of now. We welcome you once again. Please come see. As you can see, this is our boundary wall of height 6 feet, which is in continuity around the whole campus. Here, to my left, we have the green luscious belt, which is again giving a very serene look and a beautiful impression to our branch. Please come. We have our CCTV cameras installed in every nook and corner of the campus. Also, we take care of the safety precautions, and we have our safety buckets, our fire hose and fire extinguishers in every area to ensure that precaution is better than cure. Coming up here is the wider area wherein we conduct assemblies on regular basis. Here we have our parking area, which is again under the CCTV surveillance. This is our parking area. Now, to my right hand side, we have this basketball court. Next we have our badminton court. Here we have a play area of our pre-primary wing. We have two different blocks, and this is one of the blocks wherein pre-primary wing is completely separate. So I welcome you to my pre-primary wing. Please come. Again, as I said earlier, precaution is better than cure. So we have our fire extinguishers installed in every nook and corner of the campus. Here's our lift area, which is always there under supervision, and no one is allowed to go to the lift until and unless there is some supervisor. Now we are in one of the pre-primary classes.
Welcome to nursery. My name is Priyanka. These are the different variables which we use for teaching: weather chart, timetable, ground rules, rhyme chart and story chart. Here we have our kids corner, and this is the theme of the month. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Here we have our activity area for our pre-primary kids. Which is equipped with a large variety of toys to ensure holistic development of the child, and it also ensures the improvement of the gross motor and fine motor skills. Next we have our medical room. I welcome you to the medical room.
I am Kavita Lamba from medical room. I am working as a nurse physician. These equipment, medical equipment, and first aid box. One that is there, screen side, and emergency stretcher, and patient bed, and wheelchair. Thank you, sir.
Here we have our washrooms separately for girls and boys. This is our girls' restroom. Next we have the boys' restroom separately. Here, this is a separate washroom for the staff. Please come. Next to this block, we have another building wherein we take care of the primary and the high school, and all labs and other facilities are available. I welcome you to my next. This is the main entrance of the reception. Here we have our stairs, and here we have the ramp. These are the fire extinguishers on the gate number 1. I welcome you to my reception area. To my left, if you can see, this is the waiting area for our visitors. To my extreme right, we have our account section. Here we have counselor room 1, and this is counselor room 2. Please. I would like you to introduce to our reception in charge, Ms. Varsha.
I am Varsha. I am working here as a front office executive.
and here I am maintaining the attendance of teacher and the student absentees data. And as you can see, the red column, through this we are maintaining the social distancing in this pandemic situation, and it is safe for all. And we are cordially welcome you to all in our virtual inspection in MG Road branch. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. This is our biometric system which we use for our daily attendance, which monitors the in and out time of the staff. We have our suggestion and feedback box wherein we allow everyone to put any suggestions or any feedbacks, and it's purely confidential. Here we have this drinking water corner. We have separate water bells also. Apart from the regular intervals, the water timings which we consider are 9:30 a.m., 11:30 a.m. and 1:30 p.m. Here we have this corridor which is a large outset, and we have our community helpers and other concept boards which will keep the corridors vibrant and colorful. You can see all the CCTV cameras being installed in every nook and corner so that each and everything is under the CCTV surveillance. Here we have separate washrooms for girls. This is the girls' washroom. You can see it's very well maintained. Please come. Again, here to my right I have the boys' washroom. As I told earlier, we have our concept boards which keeps our corridors vibrant and is also a very creative way of recapitulation of the concepts. Similarly, here we have this community helpers concept board. Again, we have the concept doors as well for the budding children, and here we are showing them as caterpillars. Here we have 4 modes of transport concept board. Now, this is our students' counseling room.
I'm Shikha Chaudhary and I'm the counselor, working as a counselor here. As a counselor, I'm looking into the concerns of the students related to academic, social and emotional problems that they may face. And I help them plan goals and actions, and together we conduct workshops for our students, for our teachers and our help staff also. For the pre-primary and the primary, we have these TLMs which we use for their mental growth. And with me is our special educator, Mr. Trilosi.
My name is Trilok. I am a special educator here. I deal with children with special needs. We follow the inclusive programs for our children with special needs. Also, we follow the individualized education programs. We also use the special TLMs for our kids and provide fruitful programs. We also conduct teacher training programs and parent training programs and train to our nannies to create awareness towards the children with special needs in the society.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Please come. Again, I want to show you the beautiful concept boards and the doors that have been maintained very beautifully and is taken care time and again by our teacher in charges. Again, here you can see the water cycle as well and various other boards. Now, this is third C, which means our students are now parachutes and they are ready to fly. I welcome you in one of the primary classes of third C.
I'm Himani Sharma, PRT Science here. As you are able, I welcome you all in grade 3. As you are able to see the timetable, as per the CBSE norms, we follows the various variables, the creative corner for instilling the creative brilliance in the students. We provide the creative corner to the student where we display all the work done by themselves. Here you are able to see the wall of fame where we provide the achievements to the students on weekly basis. As you are able to see the CCTVs installed in every corner of the class, these are the QBs provided to the students for keeping the belongings in the QBs here. And this is the TLM corner where we project all the TLMs related with every subject. These are the birthday charts, and on the special day of the student, we mention the name of the particular student over here. Have a look. Thank you.
So this is our primary class, and as you can see, it's decorated very beautifully and is vibrant, and as per the concept and documentations sent, our teachers maintain it very beautifully. Thank you, ma'am. Please, sir. As you can see, to my extreme right, we have exit gate number 2, which is regularly used for dispersal of our students. To my extreme right, we have various photographs depicted showing the creativity of our students. Here, learning is fun and everything is done in a creative manner. Please come. Here we have our lift, and these are the fire hose. Here we have the fire extinguisher, the fire alarm. This is our server room, and where the entry is strictly prohibited. This is our CBSE inspection record room. I welcome you, sir and ma'am. As you can see, we have regularly kept intact all our files related to all the CBSE documentations and is very well maintained. If you can see here, we have the subject project files here. Here biology, SST, French, Sanskrit, Hindi, all the project files. Here we have the circulars. If you can see, here we have all the government documents, the DO certificate, the fire certificate, land certificate, drinking water and sanitation certificate, the balance sheets, and this is our online school affiliation as well. Here we have the complaints, suggestions, registers, daily phone follow-up registers. These are our students' documents. With all the records properly maintained. These are the attendance registers. Here we have the creative world of e-kids building, which means the e-kids magazine folders. Again we have our circulars, and these are our report cards of our students. Similarly, here we have our workshop details, the sports curriculum, the clubs, the activity clubs, and moral education, art and craft, music record. Similarly here, if you can see, we have all our mark sheets, the progress cards, the activity records, the field trips, the awards and the medals, all the competitive exam documents, which includes the NTSC, IMO, UCO, UIEO. Here we have the PTM records of our students class-wise. Similarly, if you can see, we have different lab activity files also, and these are the micro-scheduled follow-up registers, which shows our teachers, while they complete the syllabus, they keep a record of it. Similarly, here you can see our lesson plans. Again, our study material, our stock registers. Now again, these are our albums, which shows the activities conducted by our students and taken care very beautifully by our teacher in charges for the whole academic session. Also here we have again our lesson plans. Now we have again here our portfolios and our activity folders for each and every student. The activity records holds all the details, and it also holds all the documents for every child. Please come. Now this is the waiting area for the visitors. You can see our creative corners in the form of all the activities we conducted for the whole academic session. The workshops, the seminars, the field trips, all the festivals, celebrations. To my extreme left here, we have creative strokes of our budding minds, which is done by the soft skills department. Here we again show the color palettes of the lives of various students in the form of monthly planners and monthly activities. It's from the primary wing. Similarly, here we have the events and celebrations and the theme of months, which is done on regular basis on monthly events, and it's all depicting whatever activities have happened in the pre-primary wing. Here is the principal's room. Next here we have this boardroom, which is regularly used to conduct meetings and conferences. Please come, sir. Now we move to our next floor. Let's move to our first floor. Please come. Please. This is our library. Please come. Here we have a wide range of various books which is required for our students on daily basis.
My name is Nisha Kumari. I am as a librarian in Narayana Techno School, MG Road branch. I have 4600 books in my library. This is my SSN register. I make this alphabetically, and this is my reference register, and this is my student daily issue register, and this is teacher issue register, and this is newspaper record register, and this is my prodigal register record, and this is our bills. First, this section is NCERT books, and this is comics books, and this is biography and little fairy books, and here is some story books, picture books, comics books, Hindi story books, and this is encyclopedia books and periodical magazines, and this is newspaper, and this is our reference section, and this is mathematics books, physics books, chemistry books, and biology books, Hindi, English, all the reference books is here. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Please come. Here we have our chemistry lab. Please come. My name is Kushbu. I am a chemistry teacher, and this is welcome to my chemistry lab. Our chemistry lab is well equipped, lavish, and all the latest technology is available here. You can see that we have a projector. During the experiment, we are showing the videos to the students to make them easily understand. Now we also have a wall hanging of important periodic table just to the learning purpose for the student. We also have a student activity board. Whatever the activity they are performing, we are displaying it here, and time to time we are updating it. Students are visiting lab frequently as per the timetable given by CBSE. Now, you will be able to see that I display here all the general apparatus so they can easily get it and they will not rush here and there. We also have analytical weighing machine
purpose for 11th and 12th standard. Now come to the cupboard. You can see that I have pasted here checklist. In this checklist, whatever is written, all things are present in the cupboard. Now let me open this cupboard. Our cupboard is well labeled. Here you will find that we have different volume of this beakers. We have 50 ml, we have 100 ml, and we have 250 ml beakers also. We also have funnels and thermometer. This thermometer student can use for the purpose of finding the melting and boiling point. We also have the test tubes and the test tube stands also. We also have the petri dish that is used for keeping the materials. Now you can see that I have kept here some chemical. These all are the general chemical that student can use. This is the indicator they can use for the identification of acids and base. Our lab is water connection also we have. You can see that it is in the working mode. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Please come.
Next, we have this biology lab of ours.
I am Mrs. Sarita Kulkarni. I am a biology teacher. Welcome to my biology lab. This lab is equipped with the smart class as well as the projector is equipped here as well as the CCTV cameras are here. CCTV cameras. Here some plants are these are having the various types of the leaves. These are the variegated type of the leaf. This is the leaf which is having two color, which is green as well as the red color leaf. This is showing the fluorosis. These are some safety rules which are kept here for the students. These are all the specimens. We are here. The students are learning from these specimens. They are getting the knowledge about what is their habit, what is their habitat, as well as the body structures of the organisms. The students are having these topics under the topic of diversity in living organisms. These all the organisms they are studying. Here are some more organisms like octopus, leech, as well as the prawn. Life history of the butterfly. Here are some charts which are mainly or models which are maintained by the students. These are showing the kharif crop as well as the rabi crop. These are samples are pasted over here. This is the cupboard in which we are keeping the chemicals. Here are the chemicals like this one safranin stain, bimurate reagent. This is the safranin stain. As well as this one is the glycerol which are required for preparation of the slurries, as well as some chemicals which are needed for the experimentation. So all these are the chemicals we are keeping here in the cupboard. These are the models of the human systems. From this model the students can understand the working of that organs. So this is the model of respiratory system. This is the internal structure of heart. This is the model made by the student of the spinal cord. These are the tobacco mosaic virus. This is the model of that. This is the clay model which is made by the student. This is the model of plant cell. This is the storage cupboard, and here we are keeping the glasswares. Now here are the some hanging charts. These charts are of human digestive system, human respiratory system, human excretory system, as well as the human heart. These are the microscope. Under this microscope, the students are observing the slides. Here are the number of slides of the cells, tissue, fungi, algae. All these are the slides. The students are observing this under the microscope. From this observation, they can understand the structure of that cells as well as the tissue. Here is the sanitary system. After doing the experimentation, the students are mainly washing their glassware and keeping it clean here. This is the timetable. This is the CBSE biology lab timetable. This timetable is followed by the students. According to this timetable, the students are visiting to the lab and doing the experimentation. This is the human skeleton. From this skeleton, the students can understand the structure of bones as well as cartilage, and this is the supporting system of the body. This is the human skeleton. Now here we are maintaining the lab manual as well as lab stock as well as the lab log register. So here in the lab stock we are maintaining all the stocks here, as well as here the photocopy of the invoice bill is also kept. And this is the lab log register. Here we are maintaining the record of the experimentation. And these are some project files which are done by the students. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Please come. Here, I welcome you to our grade 10 high school class, wherein our teacher, Madam Munmun Mandal, is taking online session through the light board.
And there is, just we have seen, this is your metal, non-metal. Here we can take the example. Students, everybody please focus class 10. So this is your sodium atom where valence electron is 1. But what is valence electron? What are the valence electrons for the chlorine atom? So we can draw around the atom. Everybody please focus here. So we can show the transfer of the electrons from sodium to chlorine atom. Now we will write the electronic configuration what we have drawn here for the ionic bond. What is this? So it is your sodium ion and
Please come. As you see again, the corridor is very vibrant and colorful with all the concept boards as well as the doors. This shows our superwoman. Please come. Again, this is our staff room. Please come. Here is our Vice Principal Ma'am's room.
Greetings. I am Miss Preeti. I am the Vice Principal of the school. I am here in this branch since the inception of the school. I am taking care of all the 3 departments: E-Kids, the pre-primary, E-Champs, the primary department, and the E-Techno, that's the high school. My role is basically to coordinate between the principal and the teachers.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Please come. Here we have our restrooms separately for boys and girls. This is our boys' restroom. Here we have a separate girls' restroom. Again, there is a concept corner board which says think like a scientist. This is our drinking water corner for the first floor. Now, let's move to our second floor. Please come. Please come. This is our second floor. Please come. Again, similarly, our second floor corridor is also very beautifully maintained and is very beautifully decorated with all the concept boards. If you can see, this is the creativity of our students. Now, this is our music and dance room. Please come.
Hello, my name is Taposh Bera. I am music and dance teacher here. I am showing this is my instrument. It is the tabla. It is an Indian classical music instrument. Now I showing it's a guitar. It's a Western musical instrument. It is a harmonium. It is also Indian music instrument. So these are instruments we are teach here. Now I presenting some dance format in teen tal. So it's a Kathak dance format, and I teach dance also and music also. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Please come. Here to my right side, we have separate washrooms again. This is the boys' washroom. Here we have a separate girls' washroom. Here we have our vacant rooms. With all the facilities, the cupboards, the chairs, the desks, the projectors, the CCTV cameras, the speakers, the air conditions, the fans, the tube lights. Please come. We have another vacant room here. Similarly, you can see the fire extinguishers being placed in every nook and corner of the corridor. The concept boards, again vibrant strokes from our students. Here are the geometrical shapes and sizes being showcased. The timetables beautifully maintained. Now another vacant room is here. Now, we have something very interesting, the SST lab. Please come. This is our SST lab.
Myself Neenu Singh. Welcome to my social lab. Here the student used to come for the conceptual study. As I want to show you that on the walls I have maps of the world physical, world political, Indian physical and Indian political. Children used to make the projects on the different topics of the India and the planet solar system. Here is the historical buildings of our country, that is the Golden Temple and the Lake Palace. Here the children has made the volcano project, and this is the project of the environment, and this is the project of water cycle. Children used to come here to get the knowledge in interesting way during the different topics of the social studies. This is the project on the Harvest Festival of our country. This is the houses, different type of houses are there, different type of cultivation the students have shown us. Let's come to this globe. By the method of this globe, I used to show the children to locate the different continent and the different countries of our world. And even we can show the latitudes and longitudes and the Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn very efficiently. Sometimes I used to show them the project and shows the various stories about our nationalism in India. These are the project finds, where the children used to maintain the map pointing of our country. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Please come. Here we have our sports room. And as you can see, we have our CCTV cameras installed throughout the corridors. Please come. This is our sports room.
Welcome to the sports room. I am Anisha Sharma. She is my partner, Purnima Rathore. In the sports room we play indoor activities. This is a table tennis. And we also playing many activities here. She will say you something new. She will introduce you something equipments.
Hello, myself Purnima Rathore. So, can you please come with me? And I will show the all equipments. So please come with me. This is the kids equipment. This balls, hula hoop, hockeys, and this is the carom board. In senior class, in senior students, equipments, cricket bat, cricket kit. Also, this is a basketball. All senior students play with the basketballs size. Basketball size, 3 types of size: 6, 5, and 7. This is the drum and also bat, kids student bat, and also new equipments are available in the Narayana school. So, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Please come. Next, we have our mathematics lab. This is our maths lab.
Myself is Monica and I welcome you to my mathematics lab. Here we have some TLM that is being used in the fraction. If you see that how to divide a whole into different kind of parts like half, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5 and so on. If we come over here, if you see the junior section, we have different kind of things. If you see, we have different kind of cups. Just to go the concept with the concept of volume. We can also explain the student the concept of volume with different kind of jars. We have 1000 ml, 500 ml, 250, 100 and 50. If I go with the senior section, I have the probability kit. If you see here, we are having the playing cards, we have the dice, and we are having the coins also, from which, like from 9th to 10th student, we can easily explain all the probability questions. These are some beautiful projects which are being made by our students, right? Now here we are having some polygon shape just to make them understand that how these are being formed and how many sides and how many vertices they have. Now here we have some 3D shapes just to explain the student how we can find the faces, edges and vertices of these 3D shapes. We have prism, we have cubes and all. Now coming to the senior section, we have all the practical geometry kit that is being used for in the practical geometry. You can see the D here, you can see all the compass, the ruler. We are using them just to explain all the questions when they are doing. And we have the abacus kit also. If you see here also, I have the abacus kit just to explain all the concept of the place value system to the student. And we have the geoboard to explain the different kind of shapes which they can make using these rubber bands of the geoboard. And we have all the chart display. You can see the number system for them, the different kind of angles are being displayed, the formulas for all the volumes of different kind of shapes, where the mensuration formulas, the profit and loss, and all the algebraic expression are also being displayed for the solving of all the questions of the student. And I am maintaining the stock register also. If you see, this is the math stock register, and the students are coming frequently over here as per their timetable. And this is a maths lab log, where you can all see that these are the activities we have performed, and these are some photographs of the student also while they were performing the activity in the lab. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Please. Here, as you can see, and here we have our computer lab. Again, another beautifully decorated concept board of the computer lab.
My name is Mary. I welcome you all to my computer lab. As you can see, our computer lab is a very spacious lab with all the cutting edge technologies and very efficient internet speed. We are having 40 systems, all loaded with the multimedia softwares, and we are having all the software that are required for all the grade students. As you can see, we are having the architecture of server and client system, which is completely a protected system by which every single system will be connected with our main system. Students are frequently visiting the lab according to the timetable given by the CBSE norms. They are coming to the lab for having their excellence on the system and doing their on-hand practice on the systems.
Whenever they are coming to the lab, they are opening the system and we are having all the software. Let's have a glance on all the software that we are having in the system. We are using Windows 2012 server system, which is basically the multiple server system, and you can see all the softwares which are required by the students for them making more and more about the technologies. You can also have a glance on all the beautiful projects made by the students. Like if you will see, all the students are coming right from the grade 1 till grade 9. This is made by the 4th class student, parts of computer, to make them aware about the theoretical concepts also. If you will see social projects, because this is the most important aspect, as they have to be more aware about the social technologies, how to make it more and more aware about all the things. If you will go ahead, then I can show you all the systems are in working conditions. Moreover, we are having more and more projects uploaded over here. We are having different components, networking components, which are like switch, hub, how to make the connection between the labs, as we are having the LAN system in our lab. So how to connect each system with another system by using different LAN components, and the IT inventor. They should know wherever the place they are coming, who have invented such kind of software and place. We are bringing the student in the lab to make them more and more techno, because technology is the only way by which they will be becoming the master for tomorrow, by just pushing one single switch. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Coming up next is our physics lab. This is our physics lab.
My name is Radhika Jagdap, physics teacher. Here we are maintaining our stock registers and lab register for physics lab. Here we are displacing some boards for the visual knowledge for the students. Now I am showing you some lab equipments we have placed here. It's a very equipped place, physics lab. Now you can see here it's a friction board. While teaching a friction chapter, we are showing the demonstration to the students, so they are getting the types of frictions very easily. So it will help them to keep it in the mind. Next, there are breadboard combinations for the series resistors and the parallel resistor combinations. Please come ahead. Here we are having some handmade projects of the students. They are submitting for the each and every examination for portfolio purpose. Next, we are having optical range experiments. Here they can learn the characteristics of the images for the different kind of lenses and the mirrors. Whenever we are moving this object position, different images are creating here. We can see it through this lens. Please come ahead. Here we are having one TLM material, that is we are showing for a sound chapter while teaching them a larynx part. Please come. Here our junior students are preparing the kaleidoscope and the periscope projects. Here for senior students we are having Ohm's law apparatus kit. Whenever we are rotating this rheostat, which is the variable resistor, this voltmeter and ammeter readings are changing, and students are taking these readings in their notebook and preparing graphs according to them. Please come ahead. While giving a knowledge regarding the physical balance and spring balance, we are showing them this demonstration to the students, so they can learn it very easily. The spring balance we are showing them in the classes also. Here one of the best project prepared by the student to give a knowledge about the connectivity. Here some vernier calipers and the screw gauges are kept. Here this is the tuning fork experiment. We are showing them whenever we are teaching a sound chapter to the students. Here again I can show you some projects prepared by the students. Here whenever we are pressing any switch buttons, then that particular lights are glowing. And here we are prepared, our displays our board also, and on that board I prepared some names of the students, and they are particularly on that particular day they are coming here and standing along the tables.
Thank you, ma'am. Here we have a small another corner of the indoor games wherein students come on regular intervals as per the timetables prescribed. So we now hope we have given you a detailed in-depth description of Narayana E-Techno School, MG Road branch. Thank you so much, respected dignitaries, for all your precious time. Thank you.